You too. What's up? It's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. T Gang in the building. What up? First of all, I gotta give a shout out to Econo, as y'all seen in the B-roll. And yes, I'm getting more colors, and I'm gonna continue to shout them out. They have shown continuous love and support and answered every question. So I gotta return the love back. Shouts out to you, Econo Transfer. What we're getting into today is stamping some early apparel from off of my line that a customer seen me making as she walked into the store. All that and more after the intro. Packaging is very important. It only not gives you the professional look, it helps goes a long way with the customers. If you hand them something that's just in a bag or something that's simply folded up, they may not return. But if you hand them something like a plastic sleeve, these ones I got from Spartan Industries off of Amazon, and it's 100 of them, and they're 10 by 13s. I found that you could put sweatshirts in here. You could put regular 3Xs in here, 2Xs in here. I've also put a 5X in this. It's self-adhesive. It's a great brand. No, they're not sponsoring me, but I like to shout out good information from good people that has pretty much good products. Also, another size they have, since right now is the epidemic going on, is the ones for masks. Remember, packaging is very important. So this part is new. It's called Sit Down and Talk with Mike. I've been doing vinyl for a little over a year. I've had the process of doing this in my brain for about 3 years. I just had to stop contemplating and actually get into it. I always give shout outs where shout outs is due. Stan Banks had a video where he was making a bomber jacket in a garage, which then gave me very big inspiration. I was tired of doing the same 9-to-5 job, which I was working for an electrical plant. I was making okay money, but I wasn't happy. So I had to find something that worked for me, which was creating shirts. I love working late hours doing shirts because to me, it's not work. So I advise you, if you're out there looking for something, make sure you love to do it. That way you can't consider it as work, or it won't be considered as work, and you'll enjoy doing it. One, you'll become rich at it because you're doing it all the time. And two, it's a fulfillment at the end of the day. Trust me, I've been through it all. So what you just seen was the apparel line that I was working on, the Grizzly Fit Ladies, which one of my customers had seen when they walked into the shop. So the design has been previously cut on a Silhouette Cameo 4. Now, I suggest using the presets and adjusting by doing test cuts instead of just fidangling it. I guess that's a word that's kind of creative. It means just messing around. Choose the best settings. You don't want to go too deep because it can cut through the carrier sheet. The plastic backing on this is the backing sheet. This is the actual vinyl. You just want to cut the vinyl and not the actual carrier sheet. So be conscious, use your presets, make a couple test cuts. No one's perfect at it. I make the mistakes so you don't have to. So our heat platen is heated to 320 degrees and we're going to press for 15 seconds. Oh, and don't forget to adjust the pressure. It's very important. There's different pressures for different things. Make sure you adjust. Teflon sheet away. And let's take this over here. Let that cool a little bit. I always start kind of slow when it's pilling time because you never know if it had enough pressure. One carrier gone. Other carrier gone. So we reached the end of the video. And this one is going to be on the Vinyl Express playlist. If you like this, hit that thumbs up. It costs you absolutely nothing, trust me. Just, I mean, you made it this far, you might as well. And if you got a comment, whether good or bad, go ahead and comment. I'm going to respond back, at least for the first 100 or so. And to the next one, I'm out.